Hi everyone, I am Deepshikha Mondol from West Bengal. I have done my graduation from Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. This year I have appeared in ICR PG entrance exam and have secured All India rank 6 in the physical science subject group. So here I would like to share my experience and my study plan throughout this journey. I started my preparation from the 5th sem. I started with the book Introductory Soil Science by D.K. Das. After that, I moved to the textbook of Soil Science by T.D. Bishwas and S.K. Mukherjee. Every line of this book is so much important that you have to go through this book for minimum 5 to 6 times. Then I read the Fundamentals of Soil Science book by ISSS. It's a very much conceptual book. For petrology portion, the first 7 chapters of the book Textbook of Petrology by J. Saigal is important. You have to cover that. And for meteorology portion, the agronomy book by S. R. Reddy and Reddy is more than sufficient. Next, the environmental science and the physiology part. For this part, the volume 2 of the general agriculture book by Arun Kattayana is very much important. For basic chemistry, you can go through NCERT books or any other books which you have read in your class 11 12. Apart from these books, I can also suggest you one more book, that is the Soil Science Treatise by Itala Satyanarayana. This book is very much useful for your revision purpose, and you can also cover the analytical chemistry portion from this book. These are the main books, but if you want to gain knowledge in depth, then for physics there is a book by A.K. Shah, and there is a book by and there is a book of fertilizer by Ranjan Bosak. For MCQ purpose, there is a book named Objective Soil Science by T. Ramesh, and another book, The Soil Science at a Glance by New Visual Publication, is helpful. Now coming to the general agriculture portion. For this part, the general agriculture book by Nimraj Sunda and Arun Kattayan is more than sufficient. Along with these two books, you have to solve MCQs from Objective Agriculture by S.R. Kantwa. I also solved MCQ from another book named Agri Insights by New Visual Publication. If you want to gain knowledge or solve MCQs in which are more detailed, you can check this book. Now I would like to add few words for the JRF aspirants, that always try to learn the concepts instead of mugging up all the things. Try to complete your syllabus as early as possible and then revise as much as you can. Apart from solving MCQs, you should attempt as many mock tests as you can, and always be positive, keep faith in yourself, and always keep your confidence level high. And one more thing I would like to add is that give your exam in the exam hall in a cool fresh mind, otherwise everything will get messed up. Lastly, I would like to thank my family, my friends, seniors, and the teachers who always helped me in this journey. And a special thanks to Agri Toppers for giving me such an opportunity to share my views with others. Thank you.